Underneath the southern stars, where the sky meets the sand, me and Buster rolling free, just a couple of mates in this land. Cruising through the Outback, no need for a plan. In my caravan we'll roam, it's a life so grand. Buster's ears are flappin', head out the side, with the engine humming softly, he's filled with pride. Oh, me and my furry mate, Buster by my side, we'll chase the sun where the wild blooms abide. Away from the main road, in solitude we find secluded spots by streams, leaving all worries behind. We don't need no fancy plans, just the open sky. Short treks through the bush, where the eagles fly high. The sound of the stream, it sings a sweet tune. Under the shade of the gum trees, we're howling at the moon. Buster bounds through the wildflowers without a care, chasing his tail. Oh, life's easy out here. Oh, me and my furry mate, Buster by my side, we'll chase the sun where the wild blooms abide. Away from the main road, in solitude we find secluded spots by streams, leaving all worries behind. As the sun sets low, painting skies in gold, we'll toast to the moments, the adventures untold. With a campfire crackling and the stars shining bright, in the heart of Australia, we'll hold each other tight. I wonder where we'll wander, what lies ahead. This vast land of beauty, where the wild creatures tread. Every corner a new story, every dawn a new day. With Buster as my compass, we'll find our way. So here's to the journey, with my best mate by my side, in this endless outback, where our hearts reside. Oh, me and my furry mate, Buster by my side, we'll chase the sun where the wild blooms abide. Away from the main road, in solitude we find secluded spots by streams, leaving all worries behind. So let the world keep turning, we'll remain free, just Buster and I, and our love for the sea. In this land so wide, with adventures to greet, me and my furry mate, oh, isn't life sweet?